Hey YouTube, this is going to be a room review of Delta Marriott in Cincinnati Sharonville. Okay, this is a double room, so when you walk in, you have a little weird skylight here. This is your switch here. Have a kind of spacious little walk-in area. When you first walk in, you got the hardwood floor. As you move in, you have a bathroom with a stand-up shower. Kind of narrow compared to some other hotels. You have your toilet. If you move here, you have your hair dryer, some extra towels, your sink, a backlit vanity mirror. You have shelf with lotion, some cups, paper towels, more towels, and this is a sliding door. They give you some soap and conditioner. As you back out, you have your closet, have your ironing board, luggage rack, some hangers, some shelving. No lights in here. To your left, you do have a full-length body mirror. As you move to the main part of the room, you do have two, I think, full-size beds. Have a little chair stuck over here in the corner. HVAC unit. To the right, you have your coffee maker, ice, bottles of water, and in here they give you some cups with some coffee and tea. As you move in, have a drawer here, shelf, probably 55-inch TV, work desk with a rolly chair. You have two plug-ins, USB-C, have a lamp with two plug-ins, your HVAC. So this is on the third floor, room 315. So this is the view that we do have. Basically, you know, a parking lot in a certain sitting area. Have your lamp here. You have reading lights on each bed. And then in between you have another lamp with two plug-ins, your phone, writing pad, your Bibles, and that's pretty much it. So stay tuned for tonight, and we're going to do the black light test. Okay, the black light test. So as you come in the door, the actual door handle is not bad.
But the sign, the do not disturb sign. Ugh.
Yes, someone been disturbing the sign. Walls. This.
There's a mold there. It's a leaking from those stairs.
I hope not. Oh,
You just don't get the quarters.
okay. If we go to the bathroom door, has.
That is disgusting.
Oh shoot. Okay.
Oh. Oh gosh. Is there a fight of fluids?
It's on the walls. It's going up the wall.
Oh my gosh.
Even up on the ceiling. Interesting.
Must have had some leaking damage. Don't forget to get this part.
Okay. The shower.
I guess they don't scrub the grout. Or maybe that is the grout that's making it like.
Okay. The door. Just a little, in the grooves. Oh, dang. It's bad over here. Okay, let me go out. More stuff on the walls. HVAC unit. Yeah. This chair's a little dusty. The bed.
Not too bad.
Yeah, bed's pretty clean. Because that's all that really matters sometimes in the hotel, as long as your bed is clean.
Yeah.
Nightstand,
Pretty clean.
not bad. I don't know what that is.
Probably a slumber.
So earlier, I did not recognize it was a refrigerator in the room, but this room does have a mini fridge. So we're going to do our first black light test on a refrigerator. There's little handprints.
Oof.
A little dusty. Then we're going to open up the refrigerator. Not too bad. Okay. Well, that concludes our black light test. For more room review videos with black light tests like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys on our next video.